My buddy B went and picked up some new wheels for his tow rig. Same truck we took to Houston to go pick up all my tire tools and lift and everything. So we picked this up for a pretty good deal off of Marketplace. We can clean them up and see what they look like. We're also going to go ahead and pull these weights off the outside of these wheels so they're nice and clean, back balance them. Let them soak for a minute. Now, I'm gonna hit them up with some 30% to water hydrofluoric acid. Etch that aluminum back to bright. Try not to breathe this stuff. Don't breathe it. Doesn't even need to sit long. As soon as it foams, it's done. Wash it one more time, rinse it off. What brake dust?